Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam, and today I'm gonna show you how to turn off location without anyone knowing on Life360. So first of all, if you want to know more about Life360, it allows you to know the places of your family, friends, and all that, and their last update. All right. So if you want to turn off location without anyone knowing, first of all, you're gonna just hold. This is the first solution, which is deleting the app. And the second option, what you want to do is to go to your settings right here. And if you want to keep the app, but you don't want to you don't want from the app to know your location, you're gonna go ahead right here to location privacy and security, and you're gonna go to location services, and you will see the apps that you are allowed to see your location. So after we just click on never, and that's how you allow location but without anyone knowing on Life360. So this is the two options that you can use to turn off location services on Life360. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, follow and hit the thumbs up. Last but not least, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.